Hello everyone, Super Flashlight Rail Productions, and welcome to Super Flashlight's React Saturday. Today I will be reacting to NS Mixed Freight Trains. Okay, I'll go to the NS playlist and go to NS Mixed Freight. Okay, now here it is, NS Mixed Freight. Okay. Oh, I remember this one from August 2016. There it is. It's briefly seen in the distance. Oh yeah, I remember that. That scared me. Well, this is just my early rail fanning trip. Okay, I remember UNS Mixed Freight. Okay, I want to go on to the one that's recorded at night. Gee, look at that. It's rain outside. And there it is, and I have to stop at a red signal. It's taking forever. Luckily it turned green, but okay, I'm just skipping forward. But as I get down to 16th Street to feel it, it was too late. The last car went across. Okay. There's the It went across. It went across, and now the gates go up, and the lights turn off. Well, that was poor. But luckily, it got better. Okay. Oh yeah, I remember this one. Westbound NS Mixed Freight, Richmond, Virginia. That was the first time I caught a train on that line. I remember that. Okay, that was on my 17th birthday. And there's one that's heading west through Homerstown. I remember you. And this one on my first NS Special Interest. And my first NS Operation Lifesaver. I hear it. There you are. I think I remembered you. Oh yeah, Operation Lifesaver. I remembered you. And for the first time I recorded this train while having the engines lead. That was so much fun. It was such a great memory. Oh, this one I have remembered. Okay, I can see you. And there's that mixed freight ahead at 16th Street. Look at it go. This one I had, with my cousin Redstone. I remembered you from last year. Right before the debut of my channel. I hear you. There you go. Okay. Ooh, this one I have remembered. Just as a ride to Anvil. I mean, just as I a ride to Anvil. There's on a Stream Mother 22, and this one this one I have remembered. Look at you go. That's such a good last shot. Oh, this one had my first NS Heritage Union. Okay, I want to see the mixed freight go across. I was hoping this mixed freight would be gone so I could see the Heritage Union. Come on, go, go. There it goes. The standard cab leading in the second and the third. There they go up to Harrisburg. Okay, unfortunately they were slowing down. Okay, I want to get to part when 1069 was blocked. I think I see 1069. Where is it? Oh yeah, that was 1069. It was briefly seen. How could you, mixed freight? You blocked the Heritage Union. Okay, this one I have remembered. Trying to get there somewhere. Come out, wherever you are. Oh, there's Tristan with Redstone. Come on! Come on! Okay. There you are, you were just slowing down. And I remembered you. It was so frustrating. Okay. Oh, this one I went back up from last year in August so I can have a chance not to get anything special blocked. Oh yeah, that was my first NS Elephant style. And this one had my first farm power. Okay, I want to see you. Here you come, UP. I see you, UP. Get it? I see UP. Okay, that was my first farm power. Look at you go, mixed freight. Okay, next mixed freight. I have a lot of mixed freights. I'm trying to get to them really quickly. Oh, this one had Dylan Celestis on board. That was a good one. Okay, I wonder what else we can find. Ooh, this one had my first... Okay, the eastbound solo UP heading... taking those empty wells heading east, and what was coming west was there was a UP leading the mixed freight. I remember that. This one... I don't think that was 65T. Oh, that scared me. I mean, oh, wait, it didn't scare me. Oh, yeah, I remember this one. This one I have remembered. I want to see. Oh, yeah, I remember this one. It was so quiet in Anvil. I had this one. Okay. Ooh, this one had Operation Lifesaver crossing the bridge. I see you, Operation Lifesaver. This one had NS 2697 missing half its logo. I remember that. Wait, need to get to the engine. Oh yeah, I remember that. I remember that, missing half its logo on mixed freight. Ooh, and this one, a good last shot. Gee, look at those 4 engines. That's a great last shot. Not a lot of farm power, but good last shot. This one had an X-Conrail. I can see you, X-Conrail. Oh gosh. I remembered this place up in Pennsylvania. Oh, and this one had an insane horn. I remembered 36Q. Okay, that was just so insane. Gee, that was all normal and nothing special. And that was insane too. Okay. This one I remember when they were shunting cars in West Point. That's a good view. This one I had, but I didn't get to the engines leading. I'm sorry. Well, this was my early days of rail fanning. But the good news is that when I moved on to the future and on forever. Come on, get to the mixed freight. Okay. Whew. That's a lot of mixed freights. I remember this one. 19G mixed freight heading west. This one I remember too. There it is in Cleona. Ugh. Okay, this mixed freight I remembered. And this mixed freight had an X-Conrail with the UP. Wait, ooh, good shaved haircut. Okay, this one had 4146 leading. Gee, look at that fresh repainted Norfolk Southern engine. This one I remembered. Whoa! Boo! Woo! Good horn show. Oh, that's a good. Ooh, that's a good horn show. This one I remember the solo. Sorry. Okay, that was the solo. This one I remembered. 2 elephant styles on a slow, sunny day. I like to go back out, but I don't want to be bothered. Ooh, good solo. This one I remembered when it blocked the missing half its logo. So I have time for that? Okay. But I need to hurry. Okay. You blocked the missing half its logo. Haha. Oh, good joke. Alright. This one had the 2 patch CXX unions. Look how patched they are. Uh-oh. Another mixed freight? Gee, I was just mixed freight nonstop. Okay, this was the only mixed freight on Friday in August. Oh, gee. I wish I could stop the mixed freight. This one had the standard cab leading. Okay, this one had the short mixed freight. Okay. Okay, these mixed freights are just driving me absolutely bananas. Ow! Okay, this one had X-Conrail. NS8411. I can't see you, it's so cloudy. Okay, now I can see you. Oops, that's not a mixed freight. Oh, I'm sorry. It's just an accident, Where's the mixed freight? There you are, mixed freight. Good mixed freight. This one I remembered when I was in Annville. Get to the mixed freight! Okay, there it is. Ooh, this one I have remembered from last month. LTEX. There it is. And I think that's all the mixed freights I had. It's 1 mixed freight, 2. Missing 1. Okay, here's the other mixed freight I'm mixing. Okay, this one I had idling on the highway in Richmond, or near Richmond. Okay, that was good. Whew. That was just so mixed freight nonstop. Well, that's a lot of NS mixed freight trains I had this year, last year, and the year before. Like, dislike, subscribe, and comment. Bye.